left me. They really left me.
I can see the water over there. Oh, the exit.
For your own safety, always remain seated during your safari, as the road can be rough and
The
bumpy. And
exit.
keep your arms, hands,
Every
legs,
day
and
rooming
feet inside the
the
vehicle at all
exit.
times. Most importantly, please keep your eyes on your children. Securely store any
Now you're going to
purse,
want to hang on tight to those cameras and any other loose objects, because if you drop them off side of the truck, we cannot stop to get them. I will send somebody out for them, but you are probably not going to get them back in one piece. While we're out here on the reserve, we have a few rules. Rule number one, the roads there are not paved, it's going to be bumpy, so we ask that you stay seated at all times, even if I am stopped. I say we like that in my head every time I go down the hill, too. Don't worry about it. Out there to the right, there's a couple of copies up at the top of the hill there. They have no natural predators. The only thing in the whole world that they have to worry about is people. Off tree. They're oftentimes referred to as the upside down tree. Due to the fact that it looks like the roots are growing out of the top. They only have leaves for 3 months out of the year. During the dry season, however, they go up to the baobab trees, they stab their tusks in, they try to get the water out. But they're actually quite light. Honeycomb shaped on the inside, so the blood flow through them helps keep the animals. Look at how cute he is. Giraffe have a very interesting start to their life. It begins with a 6-foot drop. Their favorite stick will find their red and blue faces.
He just tags that on. Oh, hey, by the way, there's a baby white right there.
Rhinos, they have pretty poor vision. They can only see about 10 feet in front of them. Everything else just a big blur. A herd of rhinos, often known as a crash, has a little to do with the poor eyesight. A herd of larger livestock that are small size require less land and food to raise, and they are pretty cute too. Now they are fully grown. That is as big as they are going to get.
Hey, bud.
Where's it? This.
Does it fit? A little bit.
Wherever you like.
bienvenidos a bordo del Wildlife Express. Para que tengan un viaje seguro, manténganse sentados, con las manos en la
He's right behind where the lions are. Was that fun, Peanut?
Daddy, hey, Mommy, take that picture of me one more time.
Are you ready?
Can I?
You want to see it? Yep. Is it good? Guys, leaving us. But Dad's leaving us. But Daddy's leaving. Yeah. So what is? There you go. What is this a picture of?
Ow.
A house. Yeah. So a habitat is an animal's home. Do you ever get hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah. When you get hungry, what do you eat? Do you eat food?
Yeah.
Hopefully, yeah. So animals also need food to live. And do you think a giraffe is gonna drink root beer?
No.
What are they gonna drink?
Water.
Water. Yeah. So animals need water and food and a home to survive,
Look at the top
right?
of the bushes. You see all the butterflies up there?
Yeah.
Look at all of them.
Kason, who's on this poster right here?
Oh my goodness, what is that?
Yep.
Jumper.
Jumper in the classes. We're all good. Just a few minutes or two minutes. So we give you all the little guidelines.
Kason, look.
So we'll show you step by step how to draw the characters.
She's drawing Pua.
You're drawing Pua, and we actually have the model for Pua in the petting yard over
Okay,
there.
that sounds
So yeah, it's definitely kind of keep us going.
I was forgetting we can figure out